The primary aim of the project was the reliability of the system, as the financial stakes involved with this process are high. We also wanted to improve the energy efficiency of the cooling circuit. Initially, this manufacturing area was actually fed by several cooling circuits. The idea proposed by Merck was to merge these two chilled water systems. Energy valve is a key element in this project. It enabled us to obtain a large volume of data. The commissioning process was fast and simple. To put it simply, it only takes a minute. In this type of operation, what we want is to ensure both precision and efficacy in terms of water regulation, to optimize flow rates and thus achieve dynamic balancing, because different flow rates will be used on the installation. This in order to obtain the right output, the right flow and the right temperature at the right moment. This project was an in-house test project. For future site projects, we will implement the energy valve in all our hydronic systems.